And then from here, all you really need to do is load in your material and then set whatever bit you are using. In my case, I probably have a bunch of bits set up in here, but you're going to more than likely be using either a compression bit or an upcut bit. Select that and then defining the cut settings. A lot of these will have automatic cut settings, and depending on the machine that you're using, you can adjust those. With my X-Carve Pro, I would typically run like a 1/4 inch upcut bit at like 250. I can really move these, and maybe a plunge rate of 70 and a depth per pass of 0.25 inches. And then I can adjust the spindle speed as needed. And you can see when I do that, for this panel, it's giving me a rough estimate of less than 30 minutes to cut that out. If I actually hit simulate, I'll get a better idea. It's gonna take me 14 minutes to cut out one of the panels. And then from there, you would just hit the carve. And I'm not connected to a machine, but if I was, it would be green. And from there, you just hit carve. It would walk you through the carve menu to make sure you have everything clamped down, everything set up. It'll zero your Z axis as well as define a home point, all the things that you would normally do to use CNC, and then cut it